Okay, and in the final video for today, then I'm just going to look at entering records into this pet database, and in particular how you insert an image of the pets in it and store those within an Access database. So to do that, let's go into Form View. So this is the view the end user will see. Hopefully yours will look a lot better than mine does. But what we need to do is generate some data for our pets. We've already got some owners, but we need some pets data as well. So need you to kind of go away and start entering up and making up some pets details, please, in these fields. You'll notice on your form you should hopefully have a drop down box here as well. So let's go and put in some details. So dog, lab, etc. Okay, so work your way through. So all those fields, the text fields are fine, but when you get to image and your picture field, you have to enter the data in a slightly different way. So to enter and store an image to represent the pet, if you right click on the field on the form and go to insert object, we want to save or store a bitmap image for each pet. So I'm going to press OK. Okay. And now we obviously don't have any photos on a camera for our pets. We're going to have to make do with Google Images, but it would work the same way. So if we go off to Google, and I've just done a search for a cat, and I'm going to press OK on that, copy that image there, press return, and I'll go back to the to MS Paint, which has opened since clicking that insert object option. And if I paste the cat into there, you can see the size of that is quite big, so I just want to crop that down and make sure it's of a suitable size. So I've set the resize option. Now it's up to you what you choose here. I'd have thought at least 300 pixels you want, so I'm going to type in 300 there. I'm just going to take off that aspect ratio and just put in 300 there as well, if it's not already done that for you. Okay, I want it to be pixels as well. Oops, sorry, yeah, no, I've made a bit of a blunder there. So put it straight onto pixels, and then if I put in 300 there, so 300 pixels wide and 300 pixels high, and press OK, that should resize the image. That's a bit of a appropriate size. If I come down the bottom here and just resize paint, because I don't want to store all that white space as well. Excellent. I've now got my image of my pet. Okay, so every time you enter a different pet in, go and grab yourself a different image and follow through these steps to save it. Just save it at the top there and press exit, and you'll notice now that in your pets form you've got the image of the pet on that particular record, and that record will come up each time that you scan through. Okay, you come to it. If I can just get to it again, yep, there you go. This might cause you to go and do a little bit of redesign on the form again. So for example there, I can see I've got all this white space here, so I can maybe just redesign that a little bit better, make it a little tidier. So if I go into design view on this form, and let's just resize this image, text box here, maybe make it a little bit wider and bigger, and then just flick that back into the user's view again, and you can see that's looking quite good now. Okay, so that's how you store an image in there. You need to generate some pets data, so using your buttons and a bit of typing skills and a bit of imagination, you need to go and create yourself at least 5 pets. A good number to have would be about 8 minimum. Okay, so off you go with that task now.